Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob and this is a how-to video for revitalizing your truck bed running boards and giving them a new look. I'm going to remove mine, sand them down, sand off this peeling clear coat. I'm going to paint it with the aerosol Herculiner truck bed paint. I'm going to do this in a paint booth in my garage. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to follow along for more videos on this F-150 and my 79 Bronco. I've included links to all the products and tools I'm using in the description below, so make sure to click on those, check them out. All right, let's get into it. These are 13 millimeter. Alright, so I have my running boards off. Now it's time to take off the extra plastic hardware ends because I want to make sure I sand all that clear coat off so that I get a good base for the new Herculiner paint that I'm going to put on. I'm also going to paint the Herculiner on the plastics. I'm going to sand those just to rough them up to accept it too. I noticed that these are the same distance on each end, so I guess it really doesn't matter which way you put it back together. It does look like it got eaten up on the ends pretty good, so I want to make sure I sand the faces that I will paint the Herculiner on.
I'm using a putty knife to scrape the loose paint off before sanding with 80 to 100 grit and a sanding sponge for the hard to reach spots. For the best paint results, it's good to paint in a controlled space with good ventilation. I put together my own paint booth in my garage to prime and paint the step rails. Subscribe to my channel to see how to assemble your own paint booth.
Alright, so I got my steps primed and they are ready to be painted, and I'm going to be using this Herculiner truck bed paint in the aerosol can. I got 2 cans, so I'm hoping that should be enough to go ahead and paint these running boards down and protect them a little bit better. The clear coat was peeling off. This was the only thing on the vehicle that wasn't black. It was kind of a charcoal color. So I'm excited to finally paint them black and give them a little more durability with this Herculiner truck bed liner. So I'm going to go ahead and mask up and get some protection on and then go ahead and start painting.
It's important to let the paint completely dry before turning them over to paint the other side. I hope you enjoyed this how-to video. If you did, smash on that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. I've included the links to all the products and tools I used today in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. Thanks for watching.